Good morning, dear little children. How are you all? You must be feeling fresh after the weekend. Today it is our English class, and in our English class we will first revise capital and small letters together from A to Z. After that we will revise sounds of letters. Today we will also learn two new sounds of letters U and V. We will also learn to write capital U and capital V. And we will also learn one new poem, My Red Balloon. So, let us begin our class by reading the letters from A to Z. Repeat after me.
Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Now let us revise the sounds of letters, and today we will learn two new sounds of letters U and V. First, let us revise the sounds which you have already learnt earlier. A says A as in apple. B says B as in boy. C says K as in cat. D says D as in dog. E says Eh as in elephant. F says F as in fish. G says G as in girl. H says H as in hen. I says E as in insect. G says J as in juice. K says K as in king. L says L as in line. M says as in mango. N says as in nurse. O says as in orange. P says P as in parrot. Q says Q as in queen. R says R as in rabbit. S says S as in ship. T says T as in tomato. And the new sound today we will learn is of this letter U. U says as in umbrella. U says as in umbrella. V says as in van. As in van. Okay, so today you have learnt two new sounds, U and V.
Now let us learn to write U and V. U for an umbrella. And V for a van. Okay? Now let us learn to write U and V. First, we will make a standing line starting from this red line. Come down and touch it here on the lower blue line. And we will go up like this. And this way, we will make U. Again, we will make a standing line starting from the red top line and touch it here on the second blue line. Turn and go up like this. This way, you will write U. U for an umbrella. And V is very, very simple. V. We will make a slanting line, come down, touch it here on this second blue line, and again a slanting line going upwards, touching this red line. This is V, V for a van. Again, come down, make a slanting line, touch it here on the second blue line, and we will go up and make another slanting line, touching this red line. So, this way you will write capital U and V.
In our English notebook also, we will learn to write capital U and capital V. So, I have put dots here and we will do only 5 lines. Now, I will put my pencil here on this dot and we will come down like this, make a standing line, turn from here and go up like this. And this way, we can make U. U for an umbrella. Again, from this dot, come down, make a standing line and turn from here, go up like this, and this way we will make U. Again, I will put my pencil here, we will make a standing line like this, come down, turn and go up like this. Okay? From this dot, come down, we will make a standing line and turn. ऐसे घुमाना है, ऊपर ले जाना है, फिर से एक standing line बनेगा. यहाँ से आपको curve देना है, गोल घुमाना है. This way, you will write U for an umbrella. Standing line, turn and go up like this. Again, we will come down and touch it here. On the second blue line, slowly turn, go up, and this way you will write U for an umbrella. ऐसे लिखेंगे U. This way. Again, make a standing line, touch it here on the second blue line, turn and go up and touch it here on this red line. This way you will make U. U for an umbrella. Now let us move on to this letter V. It is very simple. First, we will make a slanting line and come down like this. Touch it here on this second blue line and again go up and make another slanting line. This way, you will write V. V for a van. Isn't it simple, children? Slanting line, come down, touch it here on this second blue line. And we will again go up and make another slanting line. This way you will write V. From this dot, come down here, touch it here on this second blue line. And from here you will go up and touch it here. This way you will write capital V. So children, you have to write 3 lines of U and 2 lines of V this way, and total you have to write 5 lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Write very neatly and send me the picture of this work. It's poem time now. We will open the book and today we will learn a new poem, My Red Balloon. This is the poem, My Red Balloon. Now children, there is a little girl and this girl likes to play with red balloon, and the balloon goes high up in the air and she wants to catch this balloon, और वो जोर से ऊपर जंप करती है ये गर्ल बलून को पकड़ने के लिए. So let me explain this poem to you. My red balloon, my red balloon. My means मेरा. Red balloon, लाल गुब्बारा. My red balloon flies up to the sky. Flies means उड़ना. Up, ऊपर. Up to the sky. आसमान. Sky means आसमान. मेरा रेड बलून आसमान में उड़ रहा है ऊपर. I jumped up high. I means मैं. Jumped मतलब कूदना. Up, high, ऊपर कूदना. High और ऊंचा कूदना. Jump करना ऊंचा. And tried to fly. मैं भी उड़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. But could not reach it. But means लेकिन मैं नहीं पहुंच पा रही हूँ बलून तक. Reach it, वहां तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही हूँ. Why? क्यों नहीं पहुंच रही हूँ? My red balloon flies up to the sky. मेरा रेड बलून जो है गुब्बारा है फ्लाई कर रहा है ऊपर आसमान तक. So children, let us learn this poem. My red balloon.
My red balloon, my red balloon flies up to the sky. I jumped up high and tried to fly, but could not reach it. Why? My red balloon flies up to the sky. Let us say this poem once again. My red balloon flies up to the sky. I jumped up high and tried to fly, but could not reach it. Why? My red balloon flies up to the sky. Now let us revise the poem Little Tommy Tucker. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with? With his big fat wife.
आज हम हिंदी में भी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस वर्क करेंगे. आप सबने आई से ऐनक की 7 लाइंस लिखी ना लास्ट हिंदी क्लास में. तो अब हम यहाँ पे इसी पेज पे नीचे 6 लाइंस और ऐसे ऐनक की लिखेंगे. और आपको लिखना आता है, पहले की तरह ही लिखेंगे आप। हम फिर से यहाँ पे ए से एड़ी बनाएंगे। इस तरह से पहले हम बनाएंगे। ये हमारी ए से एड़ी बनी और यहाँ से हम ऊपर ले जाके स्लांटिंग लाइन बनाएंगे और एक गोला बना देंगे। आई से ऐनक। इस तरह से आप आई से ऐनक की पूरी 6 लाइंस करेंगे। ये बहुत आसान है। आज आपको ये थोड़ा और प्रैक्टिस वर्क करना है हिंदी का। इस तरह से लाइन से बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं निकालना। ए से एड़ी और यहाँ से मात्रा बना के घुमाएंगे। आई से ऐनक। दादाजी की ऐनक। आपको अब सबको अच्छे से लिखना आ गया होगा। आई से ऐनक। और भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी आपकी। आज जब आप ये बची हुई 6 लाइंस लिखेंगे तो आपकी और अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। है ना कितना आसान आई से ऐनक लिखना। बस थोड़ा सुंदर लिखना है आपको। ये जो 2 ब्लू लाइन है इससे बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं निकालेंगे और इस तरह से आई से ऐनक को लिखेंगे। फिर से देखो, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लांटिंग लाइन, जगह छोड़ के घुमाना है, यहाँ टच करना है। ए से एड़ी बनी, यहाँ से हम सीधा स्लांटिंग लाइन बना के गोल बना ऐसे यहाँ पे घुमा देंगे इसे और ये बन गया हमारा आई से ऐनक। इस तरह से आई से ऐनक आप पूरे पेज पे कर लेंगे और आपका पूरा पेज भर जाएगा। आप ये पूरा वर्क फिनिश करके और मुझे इसकी पिक्चर्स भेज देना।